tour with you inside the apartment. Unfortunately, there are no lamps here. It is just empty, without anything. That's how the flat looks like. So guys, what to say? In general, that is how all the new apartments in Moscow, at least in Moscow, looks like. As you may see, the walls without any decoration, so just some cement, nothing inside, no electricity, no water, no gas. In modern buildings there is usually no gas. They use only electricity for cooking and for lighting. But in old buildings, in the buildings 5-storied and lower, we usually have gas. So, but in modern buildings they usually just do only electricity. This place is considered to be rather good because the metro station is very close, approximately 10 minutes on foot from this place up to Novokosino metro station. Also here are buses and taxis and well, the public transport works great here. So if to say about the location of this particular apartment, it is great because a big shopping plaza is here, Auchan, Sportmaster, a lot of boutiques, food court with McDonald's, Burger King, baby potatoes in Russian it is called Kroshka Kartoshka, and many other small cafes there. Approximately 5 minutes on foot from this house up to a big shopping plaza. So if you like, you may go there on foot, even on foot, so it's not a problem. What else? A kindergarten is here, across Savikhinskaya highway, a big market, рынок. So I think that is some kind of construction market, строительный рынок, or maybe also you may buy some foods there, I'm not sure, but as for some parts for construction, such as, I don't know, lamps and cables and so some other things, it is possible to buy there, so it is very close. A lot of playgrounds for kids, a football field, so what else? A skating ring or a hockey, I don't know, a hockey zona, a hockey area to play hockey. So a park is very close here. Only I do not see a church in the nearest. Also a church, guys. Yeah, look. Over there, you see? Near the red small building there is a church. So everything is here. Even a church, guys. So everything is in this area. That is super cool. So as for the plan of this apartment, guys, when I first saw it, I thought that I'm somewhere in Egypt because it looks like a hotel room. So you enter a very big hall. To the right there is a big toilet with bathroom. They are combined in one room, and then one big room, so where usually a bed and a table and a TV set. So. And a balcony. Some hotel rooms do not have balconies, some have. So it looks like a typical hotel room in Egypt or in Turkey, so it doesn't matter. So we usually went to Egypt and it looks like the hotel room from the hotels in Egypt. So, Alex, иди сюда. So guys, Alex will be the big boss here. He will hire some workers 2 or 3 workers will be here working, and Alex will be just supervising like Sheffield is doing at our dacha. So Alex will be a supervisor. He will be showing what to do. A problem is here, a problem is there. I do not like this and I do not like that. So he will be a very, very strict supervisor, очень строгий. So, as I have already told you, Alex has a friend. The friend wants to come from time to time to Moscow. He lives in some other city, and he needs just a small apartment here, well, just for weekends or maybe for some short period to live. So he will be living here alone. So that is why for him that is just the perfect place. It's a great location, not a very big size. That is why no need to pay a lot for the bills. So, and Alex will be controlling the process of renovation here. Alex, do you like the flat? Camera is here.
Хорошая студия. Единственное, как бы, будут проблемы немножко с размещением стиральной машины, потому что она, наверное, скорее всего, не вставит.
Alex says that he likes this place, it's great, but he thinks that there will be some problems with the washing machine, because the bathroom is pretty small and there is no place to put it there. So usually people put washing machines in the kitchen or in the bathroom, so very close to the water. But here the bathroom is very small and maybe it will be a problem. So, or maybe not, we do not know at the moment, because that is just almost the first time when we are here. So guys, also a great news. Saltykovka Free Market is very close to this place, and from time to time we will go there with you, because I know that some people, some of my viewers loved Saltykovka Free Market videos. So also we shall go to explore the shopping plaza here. So guys, the battery died very unexpectedly. So guys, here is a great location, a great place to live for a short time if you come here. A lot of interesting videos are coming soon, so stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, see you soon. Пока. Alex also has bad luck with battery. Very cold here, guys, and equipment doesn't want to work. By the way, this tube, that is the heating to the radiator.
1250 здесь. Ничего. Скажи, что сегодня нарисуем проект. Ничего, покажем, осторожнее что ли. 1300. Так, иди с тобой. $3620. Еще раз. А, да, все нормально. 1620.